What's up, my name's TechNoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to fix an issue with your Nvidia drivers if you have a screen plugged in, HDMI or otherwise, and you usually hear sound through your TV speakers, a plug in it, or anything like that. If your sound is usually transferred by your graphics card to your TV or other devices, this video is for you. First of all, we'll make sure that we have the correct output device selected in Windows. Hit Start and type in Sound, and it will open the Sound Control panel. It should look something like this. If you click a different option, you may land on a different tab here. Don't worry, head across to the Playback tab. What we'll do is look for our monitor or Nvidia speakers, anything like that you usually use as your output. First of all, make sure that it's enabled. Second of all, make sure that it's colored in like this, in that it's actually connected properly to your computer. Then third, we'll right-click this, whatever device it is, and click Set as Default Device. Then we'll do it again and select Set as Default Communication Device. Upon doing so, right-click, choose Test, and see if you can hear sound through your monitor speakers, etc. Hopefully, that's the solution that you were looking for here. Otherwise, we can right-click the device, Properties, and inside of here, we can head across to the Advanced tab and change the quality here to see if it gets any better. Otherwise, on the Enhancements tab, try and disable all enhancements, and hopefully that fixes the issue. If you have another port to plug it into physically on your graphics card, try swapping it around them. The same goes for your TV or monitor. Finally, if things still aren't working properly, some monitors and TVs have the ability to turn off sound that comes through the HDMI cable. If that's the case, check your settings and make sure that you have everything enabled as you do otherwise. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. You should have hopefully found your solution here. If you didn't, and you find your solution later on, please do leave a comment down below, as you could be helping other people with this issue as well. That being said, if this video didn't help you, check the comments below and see if there are any other fixes there. Anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!